Hello mga stories, welcome back sa ito ba yung part 2 ng isang alam mo na incident to sa Jollibee paper bag incident. Kung hindi nyo napapanood yung yung story nun, lalagay ko na lang sa card din dito sa baba o sa description na lang. Ngayon ay kung totoo man parang ito yung sagot niya, no? Yung tungkol ito kay ito kay Guy, di ba, na sinabi daw na, hindi na parang naghiwalay daw, good for them, ganyan, ganyan. Okay, so, okay, sige, ito. Basahin ko muna yung insights, tapos may update ako din ako kay ate tungkol dun, ha. Okay, so, babasahin natin. Ito yung galing kay kay si sign BRG ata nakalagay dito. Okay, so ewan ko kung totoo man to, pero basahin na lang natin kasi mas maganda kasi yung two sides dito. Maganda kasi ganun para mabalansin natin. So basahin natin to. Ito yung sabi niya, what if you knew she whole story? So ayan, ito, I'm just a guy who loves Jollibee. Maybe that's a funny. Well, where to start? But it's true. If you know me, you know that about me. You know that about me. But these days, the simple truth seems small compared to everything else. Hindi talaga. Yung minsan talaga may kumpara sa kanya. May kasi na buti na lang, mabuti pa yung asawa ko ng gano'n. Ang masasabi ko lang, bakit tinitimbang mo sa'yo, sa kanya? Okay, alam mo, may mga ganyan sa talaga sa ganyan eh. Diba? Ito, basahin natin dito, sabi niya dito, you might know me as the guy everyone hated. The one you cursed, threatened, and promised to beat up if seen on the streets. I get it. Sorry. Sabi, I heard there was this. I get it. Nawala din. Kasi ang lit kasi, sorry. Sorry. So, dito na binabasa kasi ang lit kasi dito. Binabasa ko sa cellphone. Pero mababasa ko na lang yung zoom and enhance dito sa kanan. Mababasa mo na rin yan eh. So, ito. Nasa na ba tayo? Okay, medyo. Okay na So, Bita, be seen on the streets, I get it. You probably thought I deserve it. I become a villain in the story. You all thought you understood, but what if I told you that the version you heard, the one you spend lifetime welfare, isn't the whole truth? Okay, sige. Basahin natin kasi para very good. Kailangan magiging hindi lang kasi yung babae dito, kailangan lalaki. Dapat meron kasi side na lalaki. Para may matimbang kung bakit. Sige, anything is go. What if you think that though we're facts with just fragments twisted by the heart of anger and judgment from the slow walk down as that first bite of crispy chicken, memories twisted into a narrative that has nothing to do with reality. Okay, so parang minamukhaan siya na parang kumbaga sa wrestling, sa WWE, merong heel turn na tinatawag. Kumbaga ang heel turn, ibig sabihin parang siya pa yung nagiging, kumbaga sa teleserye, parang siyang kontrabida dito sa part na to, sa story na to. Diba? Na nagmumukha siyang masama, nagmumukha siyang mali. Okay, sige. Para meron na kailangan natin ng depend dito. So, yun. At memories, twisted like Okay, sige. Meron pang pa yung page 2 dito. Ayan, tama ba? Wait lang. So, wait lang. Okay, ito. Okay, so ito na. Sa page 2, but here's the where things start to shake. Okay. What if I told you that I have lived under the roof of constant fear and shame, surrounded not just by one person, but by the entire family. A place where my spirit withered and my mind broke a little more each day. Uh-huh. Would you say, would you pity me then and would you still curse my name? Ibang usapan na to. Ito, sabi niya, what if I told you I stayed silent because I fear for my child? I'm an innocent soul caught between the harsh lines and broken marriage. Kasi parang ano, and collateral damage of collateral damage of the shattered vows I pleaded for. I pleaded for peace and for a chance to reconcile, to build something that glorifies God through humility and grace. Yun. Tinahan pa sa Diyos. Okay, sige. But my words were met with silence, or worse, with the sharp sting of rejection. So, what if my silence was not guilt by sacrifice? So, what did you know the words I have to swallow always, the insults, and I've endured the seat of anger. T-I-K, A-H, stupid, and wisit ka, words that cut deeper than my blade. Would you still seize me as a monster? Could you take that kind of poison and not break? Okay, so, okay, so, parang na merong curse words, may bad words. Sige. Okay, so ito na. Ito, what if I told you that the drama you see is not always genuine, that sometimes the person you think is a victim has the darker side you never see. That kind that that creeps when the cameras are off and the doors are off, are closed. Okay. What if I show you the photos and the videos, the proof of my own pain and humiliation? Would it change anything, or would still see me as a worse guy? What if this is an simple fairy tale, but the twisted version of Beauty and the Beast? Only this time, the Beast is the one left broken and scared. The one who never gets to hear, I see the good in you. What if I walk away and still good before the name, before the curse and the bonds? Would I still a villain and monitor to protect his soul? Okay, so ito, may insights ako, may opinion ako, marami-rami dito. May ang dami kong So, ang dami niya sinabi dito. Ito, okay. So, ito. As a man, a father, and a husband, I know I'm not perfect. I make mistakes, but I love, I care, I tried, and yet the good deeds have no receipt. When made at home, they can vanish into the quiet darkness and forgotten days. I would have loved to simply move on in hand and all over, know God, and let grace cover my wounds, but what was taken was difficult path that not only us would be hurt, but the families that surround us. And as for reconciliation, at the time to just breathe for a chance to provide a different ending. But I was met in a negativity instead, and that made me realize I can stay defenses forever. Alright. I stayed because I believe in the sanctuary of marriage because I thought I could carry the weight of it all. So I still waited for her to alter the sudden word and let nothing be enduring. Think about nothing is impossible with God. Others may have thrown the towel already that I have gone through what happened to them. 3 weeks prepared, the sudden wedding felt so pressure is so restless, not really thinking of the action to take. Stood my ground for the when I tried to love unconditional but will never selfish to someone who wants to perfect every aspect of that. I stopped the drama right there. Teka lang, nagtataka lang ako dito sa part na itong sentence na to. So parang sinasabi mo na ano, yung yung parang may sinabi siya kadito na ano, na 7% oras na tinitingin. Ito totoo. Yeah. Others have thrown the towel. Parang iniisip mo na iniisip mo baka may humagis ng towel. Bakit mo nasabi yun, di ba? Parang nag-overthink ka na baka may maghagis ng towel. Bakit mo nasabi yun? Ba't mo iniisip mo yun, yung ganung towel yun? Bakit? Parang iniisip mo, baka baka parang baka may maghahagis, ganito, ganyan. Bakit mo nasabi? Dapat, alam mo, sa maganda, doon pala sa kasala, dapat maging masaya kayo eh. Bakit mo iniisip yun? Yung paghagis iniisip mo yun, yung hagis ng towel. Kasi pag sinabing towel, yung parang titigil ng kasal, parang ganun. Ba't nyo iniisip yun? Diba? Yun kasi yung mo. At saka yung mga ganung may sasabihin ako. So, ayan, drama right there. Sige. Next part. Next page pala, sorry. Okay, so ito na. Okay, so I almost forgot my last what if. What if the truth is that for one moment they actually sat together in that hospital room and generally shared a Jollibee meal, 2 one-piece chicken jaws and fries like the old days? What if for the one brief unguarded moment we were simply happy, sending you encouragement on my way to you, and upon seeing my hugs and kisses were my gifts? I'm not asking you to believe me. I'm just giving you a hint of the story. The moon must only witness I can speak. Okay, so parang ang pinapalabas mo dito parang sinasabi mo na I'm not giving a moon at the only witness. Ano ba gusto mong mangyari? Parang gusto mo lahat na lang kayo parang sa storya mo sa storya mo dapat tama ka lahat sa ganun. Lahat na kasi tayo meron kasi checks and balance. Kailangan meron tayong balance. Dito pala alam mo sa mga ganitong sa parang sa mga insights ko dito, parang sinasabi mo puro ka what if na lang sinasabi mo dito. Di ba? Na bakit ganun? Parang ako na nagmasabi. Ikaw, tanongin ka sa Diyos. Bakit? Ito, tanongin ko ito, Mr. Biraji. What if kung pag nagkaganyan yung nung asawa mo? Sige nga. Bakit nagkaganyan siya? Di ba? Alam mo bakit? According dito, alam mo, hindi nagtataka, meron siyang postpartum depression. According do sa mga na-mention ito ni Paulo dito na ito yung kasi meron kasi siyang postpartum depression. Ito yung parang nagkakaroon siya ito yung medical condition that many women get after having a baby. Yung pagkaroon siya ng baby, nagkakaroon siya ng feelings of sadness, anxiety, diba? And tiredness for the last long time after giving birth. Hindi mo ba naisip yun? Diba? Ngayon, what if kung ganito ang magiging ang ganitong misis mo, 'di ba? Tapos sasabihin mo, greatest what if na naman 'yan, 'di ba? Ngayon, it is feelings and hearted for you to take a baby. Kaya minsan may mostly sa mga na bago magpanganak, di ba napapansin mo puro siya naglilihi sa ganito. Hindi mo man napapansin 'yun, di ba? I know na parang napapagod na ka na, yung parang ang dami mong ginagawa, ang daming yan, the nature of the woman, di ba? Hindi naman ang ibang dun eh. Sinasabi ko sa'yo, di ba? Yan. This is the nature of the woman. Kasi lahat tayo, ako sa lalaki, ganun din kasama na rin ako dito, na itindihin lahat ng mga yung mga nangyayari dito. Di ba? Minsan nga, nagkakaroon ng anxiety. Natatandaan ko yung naalala ko yung dati kong ka-workmate, nagkaroon siya ng anxiety na wala na malay, nag-iiyak-iyak siya dahil nga sa kanilang personal well-being niya. Kasi hindi niya alam anong gagawin niya. Kaya nagkakaganito siya na di ba? Nagkakaroon siya ng anxiety. Yan, i-connect natin dito sa after having a baby. Ngayon, yan yung kasi yung some feelings of sadness. Lalagay ko na lang dito sa sa baba. Di ba? Di ba yung ko dito? Kaya minsan kasi yung mga mo dito, puro what ifs na lang dito. Kaya minsan talaga may mga talaga lalo na yun sa comment section dito puro na buti na lang yung mga yung mga comment lalo sa mga above dyan. Isa pa rin kayo kayo din sinasabi na buti na lang hindi ganito yung asawa ko, buti na lang hindi ganito yung mister ko kasi yung understanding. Isa pa to kaya din isa pa to hindi kayo maging understanding puro nga yan yung pinagpo-post nyo parang di naman kayo ito is about the story of this. Hindi mo hiyaanin yung parang story nyo, ba? Kaya minsan, nagsasabi nyo sa isang content kayo, naging pet-peeve kayo sa mga comment section ninyo diba? Ayun, at yun, naman doon, I'm going to speak, ayun, I can speak. So, ayun, yung masasabi ko, ito, may nagsabi, may pahabol pala, sabi niya, anyway, I still love Jollibee. The Jollibee, bida ang saya. But we're writing the tears are falling. Part 2, maybe. Yun. Part 2, maybe. Baka part 3, tingnan ko. Pero baka ito na magiging advice ko na lang sa inyo. Part 3, kayo na lang doon. Bahala kayo doon. Kasi ako, nagbigay ako ng insights para sa inyo. Diba? Yun na naman sasabi ko dito na sana this is part of the environment yung mga insights sa mga band. Sana pag-ayusin nyo, mag-asawa kayo. Diba? Yan, tapos bibigyan kayo ng mga yung parang nagkakaroon kasi yung iba kasi nagkakaroon kasi ng mga conspiracy theory or di kay Paulo, di ba? Di ba nagkakaroon ng na parang totoo ba to? Fake news na naman to? O gumagawa kayo ng storya? Parang Wattpad lang yan. Di ba? Ayun. At yung nagbibigay kayo ng Pero at least alam ko yung story mo. Pero anyway, thank you sa istorya mo. At ang final thoughts ko, sana mag-ayos na lang kayo. Di ba? This is why mostly sa sa mga asawa nyo, lalo na pag nagpaanak kayo, tapos ang worst part doon ha, medyo, yan, siya nagsabi niya na nadugyutin yung hospital. Hindi ko naman ibabagitin yung anong public yun. Minsan, meron kasing ganun na hindi na dapat punas, ganyan. Tapos, naiintindihan ko naman yun. May mga public hospitals ako. Yun, masasabi ko. At, yun, nilaman ako. Ito yung magiging thoughts ko sa part 2. Part 3, baka hindi na muna or ewan ko. Pag gusto niyo part 3, bala, pabutin niyo na lang ito ng, sabihin natin 100 likes para dito. At, i-search ko na lang yun. Thank you, and sa next video. Bye! Ayusin nyo.